Okay, guys, I'm back. I just got back, so it's cool. Hope you guys can hear me. Good deal. So, just trying to figure out how to get this thing off the screen over here, but it's good. That'll work. Everything's all good though now. So we're back in business. All clear here, huh? Good deal. You guys can see right here, man. It's like way low, way low. So now, since we've been gone, the market makers have decided to make their move. Liquidation. So we know now it's 375, which is, let's see here if I can find this crazy thing. Great. I kind of wanted this to be right there, right here. It's right here, right there, right there. I do believe you can kind of like, it's 375.50, extend left. This is the big market makers right here, guys. That's where they're at. That's where she's trying to go back to. Because once they break that, it'll be like a 375.50 move. So they're going to try to come back up here and structure this move above this because you've got up here, we come off of this down here, this market maker move here. So they come under this level, liquidate underneath both, and now they come back for expansion. So if it don't re-expand here and go back up, it's going to hit this and come back down. And that's exactly what it's probably going to do. We had what, 40, 75, and what's that one up there? This is a 91. Yep, that's it right there. That's that 91 right there. That's that big liquidation 91 right there that we traded off this morning. So this is what makes perfect sense here. So we just got to watch it now for Auto Trader to come back up and break through all this mess. But now you've got your right now, guys, what will happen is it doesn't get out of the trade. I don't turn it off. I let it run until it gets a new signal. I just let it run because I don't have time to turn it off and all that kind of crap. So if it comes all the way down to a short, you see a pull back, and this right here is this candle right here, guys, is the candle you got to get out at anyway. This is your hammer candle here. This is your indication that the market's reversing. This is it right here. So I know if I'm coming down here and I get this candle with a body right here, wicking body like this, I know I'm getting out. I'm already out of this. So I'll just let it run and do its thing, but I'm already out of the short down here. It's just knowing how to read it and say, well, there's that candle right there. That's your change of character candle sitting right there in the middle. So on a change of character, we always run, we always get out. And this is a change of character right there. This is a warning sign, and this is the next one telling you. Now, a lot of the big money will be in this trade still. Because what they'll do is they'll come down here, and when you think they're going to close it out down here, they come to this level here, they'll scale out 90% of it. The 10% will run. If it breaks this, they'll close it. If it comes here and taps this and reliquidates, they'll stay in it. Oh, you got the long at 32? That's perfect. You did pretty well there. I lost about 40 people on the stream this morning, but hey, gotta go. You gotta go, right, guys? So, guys, if you go to the website, if you go to bluesky.pro, look on the website, there is that competition calculator up there. You know, the board, the leaderboard, it's on the website. So if you want to see how you're doing or how someone else is doing, just go check it out because it's on there. I kind of wonder, hope I don't lose my chart doing this because last time I did. Let's check this out. Okay. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, key plan. Oh, there it is right there. It says the competition's right there, but where's the leaderboard? Makes money. I guess you just click on the competition. Oh, there it is. Yeah, click on the competition. There you go, guys. So right now, guys, we got one person that in France, 104. 104 is another person in Germany, another person in France, one in the Netherlands, and one in the United States, one in Las Vegas, one in Sweden. Doesn't say where the. Oh, there it is. The first person's 109,000. He's from Turkey. The second place right now is 106 in New York, and the third place is Urban, California. I think that's California, more than likely, because Irvine is well, it could be Urban, Texas too, I guess. But anyways, Texas or California one. But there you go, guys. Anyway, somewhere around there. So that's the leaderboard right there, guys. So that way you can check out the leaderboard and see where you're at. But it updates nightly, so it's pretty cool, though. Pretty cool. I wonder if I can go. Oh, I'm not going to try that because sometimes when I try to move stuff around, it just kills my shit. So I ain't going to do that either. So you're going to watch the market slow down here, guys. It's going to be this 362 here. 362 slow down. It needs to go 362, guys, back up to about 70 and start moving 70 up to 75. But right now, you're just going to get those little pullbacks and all that craziness. But if you took this at, it went down to 21, I think, where I called it at. It did go to 21. Wow. It actually went to 10 down there, 310. So, yeah. Remember I told you guys 21 was the target low? So, yeah, if you took that trade back there at 21 north, where I told you guys it was going to, if you took that big reversal, you'd call all of this. And I want to see over here. As you can see, guys, it came right up. See where it's sitting now? Sitting on the levels right there. Sitting right up, just right there at an institution. So it's sitting right on another one there. So Auto Trader is pretty cool though. When I'm out of the office or something, it's really nice to leave it up, you know. Now we're going to see what we get. If we get something now, or if it's going to be probably 2 o'clock, or maybe even 3. Usually after big moves like that we had today, it starts getting stupid for a while. I'm surprised we haven't went sideways for like 3 hours here. I'm really surprised. Pretty good. 62 still. These go 62.70, but hey, we'll see what happens here. Oh, crap. I forgot. I forgot to do something. Shit. I'm thinking, okay. I know that a person was asking about Trade Terminator, and I just forgot to get with him. So I'm going to go ahead and send that to him because I know he's been on with me. I mean, I've had a wild day. It's been a crazy day. Okay, so let's go with this side of it. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Finally. M A I T. That's not right. M-A-I. It's not right. Oh, crap. J, maybe? There it is. Okay, cool. Just wouldn't take his name. Okay, so I think that's done, guys. Yep, it's done. I just take care of that. So right there we are, back where we want to be. That's where this is where I really want to be in this market right here. Anyway, I want to be right there at that target right there because that's where the market makers are. Now, if we break this, guys, we're looking for like 75.75 long here. We want to be over 70. We want to be over like 75. Okay, 75.50, 75.75. And this long will try to take us back to like 86, 87. That's where we want to be. So if we can get this long to work here, and they'll stay long here at 75, but you can't get in this till it crosses over. It has to break 75. Yep, 75.50. If you don't break 75, guys, it's not worth even getting in it because it's going to pull back from it. Because they can always liquidate again back off that target. Oh, you guys are just, yeah, well, I'm just showing you off the auto trader right here. It's this blue line. This is the 75.75 right here at this blue line. Yeah, those behind it. I don't even have it on the other one, I don't think. I just have the institutional level sitting there below it. Yeah, see. So the other one's right here. It's 75, guys. If you're looking at this, it's 75.50. See, it needs to be up here. See how I said they'll liquidate back off of it? That's what they're doing. It doesn't mean they're going to hold it, though. I haven't made no trades, though. But if I make a trade, I'll tell you. But I'm trying to get into 75.50. 15.375.50 is the target that I would like to get in. But if I can't, it's just going to pull back and play games back to the 50 area. But we can take the auto trader off for a minute if you want to here. Put them back up over there. Just leave auto trader, let us do its thing anyway. So we're going to go over here and draw our stuff. Okay, guys, so you see the institutions right here. So this institutional level is kind of stuck here, which I don't know what it's. It don't make any sense. I think they've changed. I really do think it's changed to 53 now. We had it at what, 56, 58? I don't think it's there anymore. I think it's 52. Wow, that's kind of weird. Yep, that's changed over. This is going to be 52 and a quarter. So this one's changed. It's not there anymore. It's right there. Oh no, it's saying now it's saying it's not there. What the hell is going on here? It's now it's saying no. I moved it off one chart and it's looking at me like I'm crazy. Well, I guess the chart's freaking out. It's right there now. So it's 59. Stupid shit. 96. That's weird, man. But things do change, like I said, it's different. Okay, so that's that. But what we want, though, is we don't care about this right at the moment. What we care about is this one. We care about this one right here. And I'm going to make sure that I put it right on top of the marker. We'll put it right here, guys, for now, but right there. I'll go make sure I got it right, though. I'm pretty sure I do. Yeah. So it's kind of like 75.25, but we use 75.50 to cross. That's a good thing to do. So we can put it like this, and it's going to be a big blue one like that. Actually, we're gonna make this one yellow, so that way you guys will know it's a major area. And then we'll put over here because there's no text bit on this. It's the market maker sitting there, and that's what they'll do. There. Okay, there we go. Your market makers are sitting right there now. So see, you come under here and liquidate it out, right? Expansion's back to here. If you don't break this, you can't get trend phase. So we come off that and come back down. See? Well, that's what's happening here. So now, guys, we have to just wait. Now the retail traders are trying to come down here and break 53. Okay, but that's not working out so well for them either. But the market dip levels are sitting right here at 60. It's terrible because see they're trying to get back down to the 1920 where I was calling it earlier. So if it can't get back down there, it's going to start reversing. See, we want it to come back to 83, 83 and 97. We want to get to 75 right here. Because once we get to 83 right in here, guys, this 83 is going to start that reversal. 83.25, 83, 84 is this area. The middle line between these two is where this market's going to try to reverse. You get this, comes up, it reverses back and starts moving. And that's what we're waiting on. But the big reversal won't happen until above 413, which is right up here. It has to come up in this area between these two. This is the full market reversal right here. But for it to get really strong, it's going to come way up in these 413, 416 area. And so it'll play. What it'll do, guys, is let me just show you. Let me do this. This will make it easier for you to understand it. Okay, so if we come over here to our chart and we take 421, right? If we come up here and we take 421, right about there. and we come down to 310. Right here. This area. Okay. This is the play area. This is your play area. Now, off the play area, okay, what we'll do is we'll come over here at 321, which is the top there, and let's say, or excuse me, 421. So we'll come over here, guys, and I'm just going to show you this. Watch. We take this little brush right here, right? Let's just do markers. Maybe we can do like a little arrow. Arrows to the left. Okay, like 3, 4, 12. Like right in here. I don't know how big these are. Like right there's one, right? Then up here's another, which it won't do it. I guess you got to do that. Sucks. Wish I could just do multiple ones, but see, there's like little areas. Like the 12 here, the 21 there, and then under that one, guys, there's like another one that, you got the 4, the 95. So you can just come right over here. We could just do this, though. Let's just do this. I got a better idea. Here. Right here. We'll put this over here to the side. Whoa, shit. What happened there? Well, that ain't good. Okay, so what we're going to do, guys, is we'll put from 15,421, okay? To 412, right? Four 404.25. $396, right? 387.25. Okay. Then you want, of course, 378.75. Right? Now, the reason I'm doing this, I'll show you. We get this shit to work here. Look. See those levels? The 421's this big one up here. Okay? 412, 404, 396, 387, 278. It comes right down to this one. 278. Oh shit, I got that wrong. Let's see if I can fix this. Oh crap. Oh my God, come on, man. I want to edit it. Settings. There we go. That's 2.5, guys, right there. Sorry. We want to get this right here out of the way. There. Okay. Needs to be a dash in there. Then 378.75, which I put twice. That's good. Okay, so there you go. So you got 404.25, not 0.24. 0.25 right there. That's another level. So see, guys, you got the 412 is one. Okay. The 421. So this will make it easier. Okay, so now there you can see 421 is top. 412, 404, 390, 396, 387, 378. Once you get 378, then you hit this one. See? 74 to 78, 80, 74, 78, 87, 96, 404, 412, 320, 421. Does that make any sense? Sometimes I do, Lily, but a lot of times I don't. I just use institutions and stuff to know where I'm going to be, and it helps me just do it that way. But this way, you guys, you can see this is what I'm saying now. If you go to if you take a line and draw it the 412 and the 404, the three, you guys can take a line and put it 421, put one at 412, put one at 404, one at 396, one at 387, put this in right here at 375, and put one in 378, you'll have all these upper levels of what we call retail trades. Okay, you're playing the retail mess from here to here. Now under this, of course, is this level. Okay, of course you got a few of them here. You've only got two down below. You got 70 and like 62. So you got 70 and 62 right here. Okay, but under that, guys, you've got you got 53, 45, and 35 and 25. So see, that's all these little levels down here. That's the top side. Then there's the bottom side of it. So what they're doing is retail has that mess going on here. They really need to break 45 down here and take this thing lower. If they can get 45 to come back low and see how they liquidated at our market maker level, they went right. The candles went right to it. The green candle went right to it. If they come under this, come back down. So now they're trying to get 45 established short here. So if they can hold the 44, 44.75 or 45, they'll try to blast this down to 36 and brought 27 down there, which repeats it back down. But if you get under 45, it's a better trade under 45 than we're sitting now. But we really need to be over 61 to go long again. But I think they're going to come down here. What they're going to try to do is they're going to come down here and try to do this big other monster level, which is 37. Okay. Well, 37 down here is another big monster level. Okay. So we know that right here. See, this wasn't on here before. They like to play their little games. So this is a little game being played right here because nobody knows it. Right here. Add 37. Okay. That's a monster level right there. That's an institution sitting there. So that's where the big money's also sitting. Not really the big money, but this is where they like to reverse it at. As you can see, it came through here. So this will be your short long here, short long, short long, short long, like we did this morning. For what, babe? Okay. Okay. I'm fine. Okay. So we're going to see if we get this 37 down here. They're going to try to push this. I do know. I think they are. But what they don't realize, man, is it's so hard to push it at this time of day. This is the 2 o'clock time frame, but usually it'll push. But the problem is you got all these market dip areas, 59 and 53, and the big one right here is sitting at 48. Another one. If you break 48, you're probably coming down. But if you can't break 48, you're going to get stuck there and it's going to pull back. So 48 has to bounce. We need 48 to go down at 48 because 48 is a problem. And as you can see, watch it hit 48 and kept coming back because 48 is a problem. So now what we're doing, guys, here's a new thing we're working on. Market has restructured. Okay. So once the market restructured for these guys to get their money, what are they going to do? They're going to come down off 75 again. And they're going to come right down to 45, just like I bought. So they're going to come right off this level right here. Right here. And they're going to run this right down here to 45. Right there. There you go. 45.50 actually. 45.50 right there. So now you guys can see where the market makers are playing at. Now the market makers are sitting in here because they're trying to reestablish what they want to do. They know they got this market maker level here, but now they want a new one. So if they want a new one, they're probably going to put it somewhere in here, which I think it could be right here on top of this one. There's already an institution sitting there. So it would make more sense to go above the institutional level, which would be about 62, which I think would be about right here, right around this area. If they establish the 62, then we'll know. If 62 comes up available, then yeah, we're going to be going long over 62. If not, we'll stay short under it. It's just weird. That's what they're doing, though. They got their own little fantasy going right here. So we'll see what they're going to do. You'll see, like, everybody wants to try to go short. People are trying to go short right here. See? Watch how this works, guys. I'm showing you all this for a reason. Everybody's trying to go short, like right in this area. And see how it just kind of holds there and doesn't break the short, pulls back off the short, goes back up. It's going to always go back, guys, to 53, okay? 53 is where everybody's trying to go short at. If they can get short at 53, they'll hold it. But if they can't get short at 53, it's going to bounce back on them. So everybody wants to try to get in that 53 short right here to try to finish out that 45. You'll see it trying to play. It's playing dumb little games, right? But that's what they'll keep these. They're going to keep these retail traders trapped in this box, probably more than likely. See, it's not going down, so I'm just showing you this for a reason. See how it broke 53 and goes back up? So they're trying to get 53 back to where? 62. Because they have to go either 62 or 53 off this. You either have to be long at 62 or short at 53. But right now, it's not working for either party. And that's why we just kind of stay out of these boxes and wait. It's kind of a waiting game right here for a moment and see what we get. But now we're going to be in what we call the contraction area. So we know it's going to contract. The market's going to kind of do stupid stuff for a minute until they figure out what they want to do and where they want to go. Now, if it breaks this box up here, then they might try to trend phase it. If it don't break the box, it'll stay in this box. We had a pretty good day so far, guys. We had a good morning. We had a really good morning. Hey, I see Robe's in here with us. Yarobe, I think that's his name. I'm not sure how you say it, but Jors. Isham, I see you're here, bro. I've known you for a long time. Sheriff Justice. That's kind of cool. DRRT Trades. Cool. Chris, got your sniper thing there going on. Chris L. Elon MA. That's cool. Like some of you guys' names is pretty cool. I just kind of go down through. Hey, C Max, how you doing? Tom. I see John's down there. Rich is still here. J Dub's hanging out with us still. See Dr. Green Thumb, John S, Dreamer. Some of the names up on my top screen there. OR2003, Lucky Luke. Crazy sneezing drives me nuts. Oh. Money Joe. How you doing, man? Seen a long time there, Isham. Just getting it done, man. So we're just got to wait, guys. You can see what I'm talking about. These how they're playing in these areas. They want to play in these areas, and I think what'll happen is pretty much what's going to happen. We liquidated all the way down. Okay, we just took a massive liquidation move. Okay, off the top of the levels. Okay, look at this. This is your liquidation, market maker liquidation. Boom, come under it all the way down. Expansion phase, liquidation, expansion. Now we are going to do what we were supposed to do. We're going to wait for these guys to fill this and contract in here and either A, trend phase move, or B, big expansion. Another big, huge expansion down, or not expansion, excuse me, another big liquidation down. So either going to be a big ass liquidation down, or we're going to go up and get a big trend phase started. I'm hoping for the trend phase so we can just run this all the way back up to the top, at least the top of this box right here. That's our target right here, this 421 for now. We break that, we'll go to this one right here. I'm up there around that 34 area. There's where the bulls are sitting still. The bulls are still waiting up there. So they still got that target up there. They're still sitting there at 35, 36, and they got more bulls up there around the 64. So they're still places we can take this market to have these guys help out. So we'll have to wait and see what they do, man. Just another day at the office, right, guys? It's another day. And on Wednesdays and Fridays, guys, I have to go to the doctor on Wednesdays and Fridays at like 11:30 or 12. But I'm always back by like 1:30. So just give you a heads up on it. It's always Wednesdays and Fridays. Oh, and tonight, guys, we won't be doing a class tonight because I have to meet with my guys to get the banners and stuff fixed on the YouTube. So they're going to have to work on that with me. So I won't be able to do class because we got to get that fixed and two other things for the stream because they're not working. So we got to get those fixed for tomorrow. So just heads up on that. But if you have a trade terminator, you don't know how to use it, or you just got it, you were curious, you can't figure it out, let me know. 4 o'clock today, I'll cover it for you. We can do like a market go over at 4 like we do every. We can start doing like a market recap for you guys to ask questions and stuff if you want to. That's fine with me. Like 4 to 4:30 or something. I'm good with that. Auto Trader's still like, I don't know how far Auto Trader went down. Did anybody ever see the final price? Because it's like 4 something now. It's like 4,000. It must have went down to like 5 or 6 grand this morning. 2 contracts. Craziness. Yeah. 5.8 with 2 contracts. That's nuts. It's just craziness. Just a waiting game now, guys. Just a waiting game. I'm working on getting a board, guys, like another screen. The screen you're looking at, guys, is like a 90-inch screen. It's like 91, I think. So what I want to do is I'm going to get a thing where you guys can see, like I can walk up and point out levels. Like you'll see me live, like standing up in front of the screen saying, this is where we're getting in, this is where we're getting out. I think that'd be cool. Kind of like I'll be looking at like a desk, like a newscaster, like a green screen, but I'll be showing you guys. You'll be able to see me showing you. I think that would be kind of cool. So that's something we're working on. We're going to start working on that also. That's why we're having that thing tonight. Because I can do a webcam and all that, but I guess I could GoPro it. But I can do a webcam and stuff. Set the webcam up. It's kind of neat. But we're missing some links. Missing some links to some other streams that I'm trying to work on. Plus, I got a big thing. I got to work a big sheet. I've got to get filled out that I didn't do for tomorrow. So it's always something. But it's been a good day, man. It's been a really, really good, easy. It was easy this morning after the mess. But this morning didn't hurt us too bad. Even though the candle charts don't show this, you can see this nastiness this morning, guys. This was terrible. But we knew that something big was going to happen out of this because that's what usually happens after the news. But they like to hold the markets, and we made our money, and everybody else kind of lost. But then we took the big shorts. We didn't hold that short because all the swings in it, but we did capitalize on some really, really good trades. I had some really good trades this morning off that. I had like 2 6s and 2 5s, a 4, a couple 3s. So it was good. Sometimes I have to play my YouTube back to make sure it matches because I'm like, okay, where did I take that trade or not? I always make sure it matches at the end of the day. It's pretty cool though. So we're just gonna wait, guys. Wait in the box. Let's see if they got anything going on harmonics over here this afternoon with these guys, because it's possible. never know. Just never know. Yep, we do. I figured we did. I'll show you guys in a minute what this is. Oops. They don't even say which one it is, though. It's not going to work for us. The shark pattern. It's a shark pattern, which I figured it was. Wow. Okay, guys, we'll bring this over here. I can show you all this. See this? You see this? This is what we're in. Okay. So basically, ABC. You see where C and D are? Okay. So C is our long. Okay. This would be where we take our long, which if you got in down here is perfect, right? Because D is the short up here. So when the pattern comes up to D, it goes back short. This is expecting to go to here. This is where the market needs to come. There's the D pattern off the shark pattern right there. So usually when you have C down here, you're going back to D. If D's down here, you know, you go back to C up top. So usually usually you'll have C up top and D down here, but C's down here. So what you do is you come over here and you pick this right here and you go to retracement right there, and there it is. Okay, so you bring this retracement in here and you can put this down here right on. Let's see if I can get it over here. I really don't want to screw this up. Right here at the C level, right there. Okay, so there's the C level, right? Now, we know that's 200% of the trade is right here. Where's the 100? Right there. Right around 154 is 100% of the trade. Okay, but what we're looking for is we're looking for that 38% retracement level. Where's that 38? Right there. This is where they'll try to go long off that marker is 352. Remember the 353 I was telling you guys about? That's it. Short long. So this is the kind of like where I look for my longs right in here off of this level. Now, if we can get this, see the 61% retracements right here, which normally that's where it goes. See the candle went right to it, right there to it. Like I said, it went right to the market makers. So if it breaks this, it's going to go up to 78 to the 100. This is what we're looking for. But this is harmonics. If you don't know how to read harmonics, I can teach you. Pretty easy. It take me 10 minutes tops. But now different patterns mean different things. So you see how this faded line is here? This is where they're forecasting it. And see, came right to it. But this is the new forecast up here. This area. Right in here is our new forecast line. From this level at 55 right here to the bottom of this side right here. So anywhere between here at B, which is 100%, up into this area right in here. Okay, so you can see this is the major forecast level up here. See where this is up there, where D is, where the 200% is? That's the big area up there. So this is what we're looking at. So as you can see, the market's going sideways right now, right? So we just got to wait. I know I show a lot of different things during my day. I'm not trying to confuse anybody, but I just want you guys to know there's several things you can look at in your trading. And you guys see I use a lot of shit in mine. I use a lot of stuff because I just like to know. Curious. I've always been like the curious person when it comes to trading. What makes things tick? And over here, if we come over here to, I guess, this one right here. Okay, which is kind of crazy too. But we'll take this right here and we'll move. Well, it ain't gonna let us move it, I guess. Crap. Oh, it does. It does let us move it. That's a good thing. No, I think it just went off the screen though. Where'd it go? That's weird. All crazy. I don't want both of them. I just want the one. Okay, I'll take this one though. Right there. Okay. I think it's forecasting it up when I put it down. It's the silliest thing in the world. It's sitting there also. See the line right there, guys? Now, if you take this, if we take the harmonics off, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let me get rid of this right here. Oh, I don't want to move the ratios. I just want to move the whole thing off there like that. Get it out of there. Take this and delete over there. I think the harmonics we can just get rid of real fast. Sometimes it won't get rid of it. Okay, there. Okay, so this one, which I don't like where it's sitting because it's wrong. Come on. Get over here. Quit screwing around. I want it right here. There. Perfect. Okay. You see how you got the white line and the red line, right? You see how it crosses the red line, it goes to the blue. We need to break the blue to get back into the red. See? We'll cross this blue. We're going to come in this area right here. This candles could come up here and play in this and then break this red and go. See how they'll go all the way to blue? They'll stop at blue, either pull back and come back to red, or they'll cross blue and go to white. This is kind of complicated sometimes because the box can get crazy as you trade. Because I don't have it on the other one, but I have one that when I put it on it, it'll go with it, the whole trade, and it's kind of insanity because it gets on my nerves. But see how they come back under here now? Look, they're coming under this. Off that 53. They'll come right back down to where? 45. Remember, guys, I was telling you about this? Now, look, this will make perfect sense to you when you look at this chart. See? Look where we're at. We're going to come right back down to the 45 level. But that 40 down there, anyway, it's kind of weird because what they're doing, guys, is they're playing off that bank level. There's a bank level sitting at 43. Well, it's actually 43. 43, 44 area. But anyway, that's just kind of stuff I do sometimes when I look at the markets. And then we can come back in here also and do another one. And this will give us another look at it. Ooh, let me go back and look over here. You definitely got to make sure you're on the right candle over this, though, because it will screw up your, there. Now look at this. Check this out. You got to be on the right candle for this, though, because you screw this up, you're really going to get your trade wrong. Watch this when I click this 0. Boom. Look at that. Look where it's projecting. Well, if I can get the project off this one. There it is. Look. It's telling us there's a pullback to here, which is about what we expect. If it don't go long, it's a liquidation, right? So it will be a major liquidation move. And that's, remember I told you guys about the liquidation move that we could get? Okay, look at it. There it is, the 3 down here. See, look. There it is. It's way down here to the red line. So see if it don't go back up and they do liquidate it later, boom, gonna get killed. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. 45 short, 75 long, because that's the only thing we got right now. But we got to be careful because see right here, sitting to this 42. It's like 40 right there. 42, I think it is. 42.75, 42.43 right there. That's that bank level they're working off of. Remember I told you guys about gas support resistance stuff they try to pull with people? That's one of those areas right there. So we're going to wait and see if she breaks this box. It's pre-family. We already told you it's like it's an algo. It's not an indicator. There's indicators built in it, but it's its own algo. The auto trader is also an algo. You guys know it is because you see it trading, making its own trades. Because indicators don't make their own trades. So, all right. So, guys, we're just going to have to wait until they figure this crap out. Until somebody figures out, hey, where are we going to go with this? Good way to save your money, though, in this area, because this is going to do the same thing until she gets a. Yeah, you could use it as one. Yeah, you probably could. Yeah, that's a good analogy. So, see, we're trying to get up here to pass the 78, 79. We really need to be at 80 on this. I think 80 is where she's going to try to break, guys. If she gets above 80, I think 80 will be the key. We get above the 75, we go to 80. 80 will go to 403. And that's what I think they're trying to do. I think they're just trying to get right above this level here. And they just kind of want to get right in this area, right around here, right this green line right here, right there. That's about the 80 right there. They want to get this green line and take this up past this to right here, right around 403, 404, right here. I think 404 is perfect right here. It's like 404 right here. So if we can break this, we'll go to 404. But we got to get to this 80 marker, which is right here. This is where we need to get to, 80 first. We clear this, we get the trade started, we get to 80, we break 80. We want to break 80, go here, here, 404. And that's what I'm looking at to see if we can get into this. If we can't, well, in a second, if this doesn't work, guys, I'll show you why. I'll show you why it's not working and what people are thinking and what retail's thinking versus what the big money's thinking. But we're trying to establish that level, and I do believe that level's sitting somewhere between 62 and 70. Because I'm thinking half of, if we go back and we look, guys, if we're sitting at seven, okay, here's a good one for you. If we're sitting at 375.25, right? I gotta sneeze again. Hold on. Crap. So sorry, guys. Um, 375 and then 45. So 45 to 75 is 30 points. 45, 55, 65, 60. So I'm still thinking at 61. I really do. I think the market makers are going to establish their level at 61. I really do. And if they do, that makes sense because we're going off the 61 now anyway, which makes perfect sense. So let's see if we cross this level up here, guys. That's what we're waiting on. Can we get that trend face started off this level? You can see right here, there's a little tiny W right here. See the little W right there trying to form? That's what we want. We want that W to stay there. We want that trend phase to begin at the market maker area. Now, last time we came up here, we touched it, pulled back, and we got killed. Well, we didn't get killed. We just didn't take a trade. But they'll short us up there. This time, let's see if we can get through it and hold it for money. But I really am kind of looking at that 80 marker. I don't really like the 78 though either, so it's kind of stupid. But I guess it's just going to be 75.50 and hold it at 78. See, like right in here. If they can get up into this area right here, that's where they want to be. Just around 75, 78 level. It doesn't matter somewhere up in there, but 75 to 78, that's what they're trying to get. They want to push this market up if they can. See? They got to get it, though. They got to hold that 78 level there. They're trying to get trend phase to start. But, retail doesn't know that. So where are the bulls trying to go, guys? The bulls are trying to go right here on the trend phase marker. Okay, the bears want to pull you back to here. So this way you'll know where everybody's thinking. The Bears are trying to go 69.75, and the Bulls are wanting to go to 86.75. And this is what will happen here. You'll see it's going to hit one of these two targets. We would like it to go hit our other ones. That'd be kind of nice. Chair's moving around squeaking. Need to oil my chair, I guess. To see where I'm sitting at, like right there to like 70, what is that? 70 something I'm sitting at, like 75, 78, 76, I think I'm sitting at. That's perfect. Because you can make money right here. As long as they can hold this 80, we got it made. We know we can take money at 86 if we can get up there. That's good, man. Way to go, Mark. Good job, brother. So now we're just trying to get up through here and hit that target. Okay. We want to get this target out. This is a big target, 86.75, because we know that's where they're going to try to short us again. So we're not going to be crazy and get stuck there. If it breaks this, we'll get back in it. But if it don't, we'll wait and see. But this is how you take the profits. You know, you take that profits off the table right here. This is just a pullback of that 2 o'clock candle is all this really is. But we can make money in this. We just got to take our profits up through here. That's all. If it doesn't go all the way to the top, guys, you can take your profits middle ways. And that middle line is going to be 83, 83.25. So if it doesn't hold the 83.25, you know that it's not going to go. It'll come back to the other one. See, right there. So it needs to hold the 83 here. 83 and a quarter. That's perfect. You get $1,200 off of it. You wait, come back, get in again. If they're going to do it again, they'll do it again. I would like to move my trade down on this though, but like I'd like to get in like right there on the top of the trade where it's supposed to be, but that's okay. Now the Bulls will try to shorten that target down. They got to break the 78.50 first, guys, and then they got to come up to this one here, 87. Oh shoot! I just took that out there. Didn't mean to. Crap. Here's what I was trying to do, guys. It's got to go there, or it's going to go here. Okay, this is what they're doing. The Bears either want to short us back, or the Bulls are going to short us north. Now, we already got our established move for the market makers, and guess what? It is 60. It's 61 right here. It's on the same. It's just right above this right here. So this green line right here is now this green line right there together with this purple is where these market makers have established their new level. Right there, sitting just above that purple. So that's the trend phase move. They're trying to trend this off of this market maker level right here. Now it's a new one and come up. I don't think we're going to need this one. Well, let's go with the top and grab one. Shit. Well, never mind. There's a lot of levels up there. It's nuts. This is crazy up through there. Okay, so now the Bulls are trying to establish the 77.25. And why do we say that? I'll show you why. This is why. Because our friend, Auto Trader, just went long. 77.25, right there. And there's the arrow for it right there. There you go. So they're on the same boat. Those guys are in the same thing we're thinking. They're thinking the same thing. Remember I said 78, 80? They're thinking the same thing, guys. Because the Auto Trader just took that trade also. 77.25. So if it pulls back off 77.25, watch that trade because it's probably going to go right back to it. Right at the 38% retracement. right on top of it. So let's go run this thing. Let's go up here and get this target. See, days like this when the market comes off these big moves, and we take money out of this thing, like a major amount of money, and we wait, or we go do something, or go have lunch, or go to the doctor, or whatever you guys do, then you come back later and you wait around and you figure out where these trades are going to be, and you come in to make these $3,000 trades in the afternoon because you already know what they're trying to do. Most people, guys, that were trading right in here got hammered. This is all revenge trading and FOMO trading. They're trying to trade this, and they know they're trying to trade this, and they're going to take their cash. Now they're going to run it up for us and make money. So we might run back down. Who knows? But hey, if we can take $2,000 here, $3,000 here, that's amazing, right? Off a good trade. Got to plot these trades to make money. I took $1,200 last time. I'm up 22 this time. So hey, I'll take almost $4,000, 2 trades in the afternoon. Well, 22, 25. I was like 25 this morning, guys. So I'm up 25. I'm up 26.2 right now on the day. I'll be up 28 after this one. Well, 29 once it goes up, but still, you can see what I'm talking about, though. You come in and kill it in the morning, you come back in the afternoon. Hey, if we only get a couple of trades of $2,000 or $3,000 trades this afternoon, we're fine. Oh, okay. So the 87 is where I got my marker at. If you guys want to know where my trade is, it's right here. See the little green line over here? See where it says 87 has dark green, way dark green? It's 87. That's where this target is right here. 87. And then after that, if we break 87, we're going to 95. After that, we'll go to 404. The other target I was telling you guys about. So we're looking for 87.95, 404. If we can't get that to hold, but we want to make sure we get the 87 first. See if we can take those profits off of there. If not, we're going to pull back down to 78 again. And if she pulls to 78 or 79, I think 78.50 is where we can have issues. It's either going to have to hold 78 or it's going to run above it. We don't want to get under it. We don't want to be under 78 because it's going to pull back to our entry. Like I said, middle line though, middle line now is like 82.50, guys. So as long as we can get to 82.50 and hold that, we should have the chance. If we can't, we'll sit here and dabble around, which I don't know why they won't let this thing run. Just come on, guys, run it. It's a bull run, and I can see why these bears are trying to short us at 81. What a bunch of morons! They're trying to short us right now, so maybe we'll trap these bears and push this. Come on, just go. Go, go, go. Oh, come on, man. Sometimes just little creeping up session here. Just kind of creeps up and pulls back and creeps up and pulls back. If it don't hold, I'll just take my money to 82. 82. $1,000, whatever. Just take it and get out of it. This little fake pullback, you're going to see it. There it is, right there. You're going to see. I started to say, you're going to see where these little bears are trying to come out under here and short us, because they will. They're going to get caught in this if possible, and we'll take them up higher. But it's a good trade. Yeah, if you go under 76, you're looking at 70. Where this is right here. This is where she'll come back to right here. Right where these bears are. 70 even. She gets back under our entry at 70 right here, and she comes under 78, starts trying to flush, and gets under 75 again, it'll come right to 70. And from 70, she'll come right back down to 62. But see, if it comes back down to 61 or even 60, 60.50 right here. 60.50, which is sitting right here on this green line, is now, this arrow now, guys, this green arrow is our new market maker level. So I'm just going to leave it there. That's where they're sitting. They're sitting, the big boys, yellow marker here and here. So we can get our money. Drop them bears and get our cash. it does this to me every time. It's like, let's go a tick away, man. It's hilarious. Really? It's right there on top of it. That's some funny shit right there. Look at that. Look at that. It's all right. I just have to cut it up here and take it anyway, I guess. Since they want to be hilarious about it. Mm-hmm. So what I'm waiting on, Power Hour rally. Rally this thing up and go. At least 404. We need to break. If we break the 412, we're gonna have a good time at 412. We just need to get this thing moving up through here, but it's all right. You guys can see right back down to 78. So if you take your profits up through here, guys, just take them. But she's going to try to come off that 78 level again. A 78 is where they want to bounce this. It has to hold 78 for the bounce, though. I'm just letting you know. A 78's that long and short together now. Now, I don't know why we just don't go hit the target. Because actually, the big target, the institutional target's right there. Right there. That's where they're trying to go, but, hey. It's actually right under it. It's like right there. That's where they're trying to go. But, it takes a minute. It takes a little while. Because we know the 405 is a problem, because 405 is the ATR for the 1 hour, so that's going to be an issue. Let's just see if they can creep it up through there, guys. If not, we can always just take their money out of it, because the midway on it. Now, midway on this trade will be about the 85, 86. About where we're supposed to be going to 87 right here. So about the 86 right here is middle ways. And what the Bulls want to do, man, is the Bulls want to stay right here at 83, 84. 84, right here, guys, at this 84 level. The reason we're having a hard time at 84 is because 84 is the top of that candle at 1 o'clock, that short candle. That's the very top of that candle. So you're engulfing that short candle right here at 84. That's when the market tries to start moving again, because they're above that. See how the market moved? They're above that 84 level. Let's go. Push it up, boys. We're almost there. It's amazing right here. Hang on a minute. I'll let you speak in a second. Look at this, guys. Can we get this target is the question, man. Now we got to hold 88. You got to hold the 88, 84, okay? 84, 88 level. You got to hold these. It might bounce back down a little bit, but we don't want it to bounce all the way back down to 78. That's crazy. So we got to hold this 84, 88 level and just watch it try to come back and go back up again. So we're right back to that candle top again, right there at 84. And that's the problem. It's on the 1 hour. Come on, let's roll. Oh, excuse me. So I just took a bunch of that out of there, guys. So it's the best thing to do is scale out of it and let a couple run so we can see if it turns. If it don't turn, I'll just cut it because I'm still making good off this one, so it's good. We wanted to go into our target though, but these bulls, man, are having a problem with this 84. This could just be a fake pullback right here to bounce back up too. So you just got to watch these pullbacks, these stack levels, because they'll try to stack these guys at 84, 80, 84 longs because they know they got to hold that level. Sitting right there on 84 is ridiculous. If retail only knew that the 84 was perfect to run this market up, and they just won't take the trades. But this is still a pullback of that candle, so of that big candle. See, the 1 hour candle is a green candle, but the 4 hour is not. You're trapped inside the 4 hour candle. It's a red candle. And that's the problem with this chart. But 3 o'clock, this thing's going to blast off anyway, probably. Probably back to the bull bear gate at 447. So we'll wait and see what we get up that way. Okay, so you just want to ask a question. I see where it says raise your hand to speak. Okay, I got you. You got invited to speak. What's up?
Hello,
Hello.
sir. Namaste. Hello,
We hear you.
sir. I'm from India, sir.
Okay, I hear you.
Sir, this is my Indian trade marketing, sir. This is Algo.
This is what?
Uh, this is uh, this is set up with the Indian market or not come, sir? Only US market.
This U.S. market.
Only. Not a Indian market is not running up, sir. This Indian.
I I don't know what you just said. Sorry. Yeah.
This
Yes.
indicator is
Yes, it's an algo on the U.S. markets. Yes, that's
uh,
what. Yes, Steve heard you.
it's
Yes.
not work on Indian market, sir.
Well, what are you trading in the market?
NSE trades.
I've never used it on Indian markets. I don't know what
Bank
commodity.
Bank Nifty, sir. Uh,
Oh, the Nifty.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. It'll work on the Nifty.
Yeah.
Yeah, it'll work on that.
Okay, I will buy, sir, planning. So that's why I'm asking.
Yeah, if it's a futures, the Nifty is considered a future. I'm pretty sure.
Uh,
Like it'll work on all the Asian stuff. Yeah. So yeah, it would work on that.
okay. Sir, after your team will set up it, sir. I will buy after your team will set up this type of algo.
Are you saying my team will set it up for you?
Uh, how to set up, sir? This my after buy.
Yeah, if you buy it, you can come on it with me, and I'll show you at 4 o'clock today um, how to set it up. I can show you how to set up, and I can show you how to set up in here. You don't have to have a
Okay.
team to do it. I can do it myself.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Yep, you're welcome. No problem. Thanks, guys, for helping me out with that. Because I had a hard time hearing what he was saying at first, but I got it, so we're good. I think he had his microphone a little bit too far away or something, but yeah. No, we're not doing a class tonight because I got to get the stream fixed. We got some stuff on the stream I've got to fix. We got to fix the banners and stuff that didn't pop up. I got a few streams that are not working, so I think something happened this morning when that big flash came on and we lost internet. So I'm kind of one of those things, or something was going on with that. So no, I don't trade on Ninja. We have Ninja Trader, but I'm trading on TradeView and TradeAbate and MotoWave. That's the 3 platforms I use. But Ninja Trader is a really good platform, and this will be on Ninja soon. We're working on getting this whole system on Ninja Trader because Ninja has talked to me about putting it over there with them. So it's kind of cool. Okay, cool. I see your email. Thanks, man. I'll hit you up on it. Yeah, it'd be really cool. I've talked to some of the guys over at Ninja, and a couple of their guys that work with us daily, and I showed how it works. They're like, "Hey, man, that's just something cool. We'd like to have it over here." So I'm going to put it on Ninja Trader. It's just we had the hurricane and some other things going on, and had to backtrack a little bit. So it takes time to get things done. Thank you, Simon. I appreciate it, man. I'm surprised there's still no, it's not. These are just regular Rincos. These are Rincos on TradeView, which are really good Rincos. I really like the Rincos on TradeView a lot versus MotoWave. MotoWave's good for everything else I do, but the Rinco charts I like on my TradeView chart. I think they're one of the best you can get in the market. I've never really used the rest of them, but I mean, as far as another one, eSignal was a really good one that I used in the past, but I got where I use these Rincos now, and I got where I can set them up really good, and they work perfect. TradingView has a great Rinco system, and that's hard to find. You guys should know that. You've been trading long enough. It's like, wow. You know, I hear you on that about the book affecting the prices. Yeah, I totally agree. Totally. Yeah, it's paid indicator, but I'm working on it, guys. I'm just going to put this out there for you guys that have it now. Later on down the road, it might just be a Blue Sky thing, or if you're a Blue Sky member, you might get it for free. But that's later on down the road. So I've been working on a few things for this, but we'll get into that later. That's down the road. But yeah, it looks. Oh yeah, it's yeah. Nifty looks with TT. Yeah, Nifty's awesome. You know, you can trade ice too with us, but you can't be on. You have to be on a certain broker with us if you're going to trade the ice. We offer a lot of stuff you can trade, guys. A lot. Oh, hey, hey, Rich, post that chart with Nifty with Trade Terminator. If you can post it, man. It'd be hilarious. Let him see it. Tell you another thing, guys, bonds and all that kind of stuff. Everything, man. This thing works on all that kind of stuff. If you're a bond trader or, you know, all that kind of good shit, ZB and all that, we should trade those too. But I'm still trying to wait, guys. Can we get to this 96 up here to push this market back to 404? I know we're still trying to hold that 84, man. It's ridiculous. That's the top of that damn candle in the 1 hour for the Bears. Trying to break that candle. It's like, really? Because the 402 is perfect now. It's not the 404, guys. It's actually the 402.25 now. So 402.25. So there's your Nifty chart, guys. Look at it. Look at Trade Terminator using Nifty. That buy and sells. Beautiful, man. Thank you, Rich. Appreciate it, brother. That thing is fire, like you said, wouldn't it? That's absolutely beautiful. Love it. It's awesome. All right, here we go. This crazy little pullbacks again. I know it's just nuts. The major pullback on this long, guys, if you're wanting to know where it's at, I'll show you. I'll move my stops up to it. It's right here. It's 79. That's the major pullback. 79, right there. You can't let it get under 79 on you, because if it gets under 79, it can be really dangerous, guys. That way you'll know, Hellraiser. It's 79. We don't promote other bots and stuff. I'm sorry. It automatically takes stuff off. Sorry, Simon. But yeah, it does look like it a lot. I agree. But ours is like, this thing is really stable, man. I really like the way it does it. I've been using this now for about 3 years. And guys, the guys who use this know you can make money with it. And if you're here with me every day, it's like pretty easy to use, right? Let's see how it's coming to 79, guys. Now, what they want to do is they want to come back down to where? They're going to try to move this down, guys, to the green line right here, right there. Remember I told you guys about the market makers being over here? So let's do this. This way I won't confuse you guys right here. So right about 60.50. It's like right there. Right here. Okay? Oh, shit. Sorry, guys. It's a little crooked there. There, 60-50. So, okay. Like, so, guys. Oh, man, what happened there? Shoot. Okay, got you back. Sorry. I lost you there, guys, for a minute. Like, where'd they go? So, anyway, guys, so this is what we're looking at. So now you got a new market maker level sitting right here also. See, here, and here now. So now you know where they're trying to go back with it, right? You see that, Simon? Get the new levels there. Oh, it's not Simon. I'm sorry. It's SM081. I'm just going to call you 81. You see that 81? SM81? SMO81. I think that's 081. All right. So anyway, guys, I called you Simon. Sorry, dude. Or it could be a girl. I don't know. It's okay, though. LOL. It's like the one day I get the girl's name. I was talking to her, and she's like, I'm a girl. I'm like, I didn't know you was a girl. Yeah, I've been called worst. That's for sure. We know Mindy's a girl because I see her picture. It's Money up there, Mominy. I know she's a girl, and Jamie's a girl. Hangs out with us a lot. I think we got about